Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free!
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you must open the car trunk and take out the light block. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. Open the trunk. Unscrew by hand the upper holding ring nut on the light. Remove the plastic cover located behind the light on the bottom. You should now have access to the second holding wing nut. Unscrew it. Extract the light box by pulling it towards you. Remove the two power connectors. To do this, lift the plastic tabs to free the connectors from the holding spur. You can also make use of a small flathead screwdriver for this operation. To free the connector board holding the bulbs, find the white plastic wing nut and turn it 1/4 turn to the left. Once free, remove the board. To replace the bulbs, push down and pivot them 1/4 turn anti-clockwise. They should come out on their own. To put the new ones in, position the spurs on the bubble so that they're in front of the holes. Do the same but in reverse. Put the board back in. And fix it by turning the white plastic wing nut 1/4 turn to the right. Reattach the power connectors. Put the light block back and finish screwing the two holding wing nuts. Put the lower wing nut cover back on. Operation completed.